Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of Steam. So the family sharing of Steam is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So there could be many reasons for this, such as the device you are using is not authorized, the game you are trying to play isn't eligible for sharing, you are logged in into a different account, or there might be a technical issue with Steam itself. Also, some games might have regional limitation for family sharing. Now, in order to solve this issue, first of all check the server status of Steam. This will help you to know whether the Steam is working properly or not. You can even check the social handles of Steam. Now check whether you are logged into a right account or not. Also make sure to reauthorize the family accounts. And for that, go to Steam settings, go to family, and here you will get an option of authorize library sharing, and then select 5 accounts which you want to authorize. If this option is already enabled in your account, then first of all disable it and re-enable it again. Also make sure to reset your networks, because sometimes this issue also occurs because of the networks. So make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.